Hello my dear friends, welcome to Lakshmi Gayatri channel. Today we are going to play the 14 raindrop pits game, the Pallangushi or the Pallangulai Vanaguntala Pita game. So let's get started. These are the two big bowls, one for the player A and one for the player B, so that we can collect the pawns which we are going to win. And since everybody won't have the Vanaguntala Pita, the wooden instrument with them, so I am just giving you an idea to even play with the cups. I have already shared this game before without any explanation, but now since lot of people were asking me to explain the game, here I am showing you. I hope this will address your query. Here we go. These are the 7 for player A and 7 for player B, the pits. And in each bowl I am taking 6 seeds. So 6 pawns or 6 counters, whichever you want to call it as. So you can play with 3, 5, 6 or 7 depending upon your feasibility. If you have lot of time, at least during this lockdown, you can play with 2 players, with your nani or dadi, grandparents, or with your sisters, brothers or parents. So with anyone or your friends. You can start from any of the bowl. So I am starting from my first pit, but you should always play in the anti-clockwise direction. So once you are finished with the distribution of seeds, you should tap on the empty bowl and take the adjacent pawns to your box. So I am playing from the other side. Player B is playing now. Since it is the first round I am playing, so player B also should play from his side. And when you are continuing the game, whichever the bowl will be empty and the adjacent bowl coins will go to the respective person's box. So from that, again he has to continue from the same box. So in that way we are distributing. See, I have got only 1 pawn, so pity, only 3. Okay, so this was the one which she has taken. So player A is playing now and continuing the game. So this is how we'll be playing. So we call in Telugu as Vana Vana whenever there is a 4 pawns or 4 seeds in a bowl will be taken by the respective player. And also on the opposite sided pit, whichever the coins, how many ever may be that also goes to that person. So now when I am playing, if there is, suppose 2 bowls will be empty, see like this, 2 bowls will be empty, then you don't get any pawns. So now the chance will be for the other player. So I hope you are understanding the game. So I am giving you the exact rules and the game how to play. But if you want to change, you can change anyway, because this is ultimately a game where people will have the counting, your concentration will improve, and the coordination of your hand, eyes and the counting, these 3 will have the coordination. So these skills will be improved in the player. So it is more of fun game. So at the end, whosoever pawns will be more, he'll be the winner. But before that, if you are finished with the first round, which means the opposite side, every bowl should be empty, then only the game will be over for that particular round. So this is how you are see, 1 bowl I have touched the empty bowl and I have taken the other side. So almost seeds are lessening, but we are not taking the 4 seeds bowl in order to increase the duration of the time. Otherwise, if you want to finish the game very fast, whenever there will be 4 seeds in a hole, then you have to take that. So this is the large quantity seeds of pit. So I am just distributing one after the other. And most importantly, when all the bowls will be empty on one side, whether it is of player A or B, then the other player cannot play alone. So he'll take all the seats of his side. If player A's bowls are empty, then player B cannot play alone. So player B side, all the pawns will be with the B. This game can be played with the tamarind seeds or the shells. So tamarind seeds are very light in weight and easy to put, and also good when you are playing, because shells in some tradition they won't allow to play at home. So tamarind seeds are very good. You can happily play with that. I hope you are enjoying this game, and especially I am just giving you an idea. Whoever is not having the 14 pit raindrop pit, the piece with them, then you can play with these kind of cups or bowls, plastic bowls or steel bowls or small plates. So these seeds may jump, so I have taken the cups. See, now the other player A side is completely getting over, almost done. Cups are little moving because I am alone playing from both the sides to show you the complete game. Please subscribe to my channel, Lakshmi Gayatri channel को subscribe कीजिए, and don't forget to share your comments. If you are liking the video, please like the video and share it to your friends. See, now you can see player A side is, all the pits are empty, so player B cannot play alone, so all these pawns will be belonging to player B. So now it's the second round time, distribution time of seeds. Start putting 6 seeds from the left side to the right. So this person, player B, he may be short of with one pit, I hope. See, these are only four pawns, so this will be a dummy pit. You can put any leaf, or you can remember and you shouldn't play with that particular bowl. So player A has got all the pawns in all the holes. So now round 2 will be the starting. So I can play with any of the pit, and player B also can start from the any of his sided pit. So that's all, my dear friends. I hope you liked it very much. So this is how the game goes about, the Vanaguntala Pita or Pallanguji or the raindrop pits game. I hope you liked it very much. Please subscribe to Lakshmi Gayatri channel, and don't forget to share your comments. Have a nice day, friends. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.